Hello everyone, I'm Nina and welcome to my channel. In this video I'll be talking about all the materials and art supplies you should have if you're a beginner, according to my personal opinion, of course. I use all of them myself, but in this video is not about brands, it's about stuff that you should have if you take yourself a little bit more seriously or if you want to improve the quality of your drawings. So let's start. Let's start with the paper. For my realistic drawings, I use the paper on the left. It's a multi-technique paper and it's suitable basically for everything. But if you compare it to the paper on the right, you will notice that the texture is completely different. The paper on the right has a pretty rough texture and it's not suitable for the realistic drawings. You won't be able to blend as good as you can blend on the paper on the left, so my advice is to buy paper that has a very smooth and nice texture. By the way, guys, in the end of this video I'll talk about colored pencils as a bonus. Pencils. I have a pencil set by Faber-Castell, as you can see. There are 12 soft and hard pencils in a metal pencil case. I like them, but I like them as much as pencils by Lyra, Kohinoor, Dovent and all the other because, I don't know, I don't feel a big difference between them. And there is one thing I can say for sure, you are able to find affordable set of pencils for yourself, just go ahead. Also, if you're a beginner, there's absolutely no need to spend hundreds of dollars on the stuff you might not use in the future, but I must say it's a very cool feeling to have cool supplies. And yes, I use all of these pencils. The next thing I'm going to talk about is an eraser. I basically use two erasers. One is a kneadable eraser, you can see it right now, it's in the box. And another one is just an ordinary eraser, it's just shaped as a pencil, which is extremely comfortable. I usually cut off the tip of this pencil to be able to pull out little details, and you can see how I'm doing it in a minute. This kneadable eraser is just a must-have thing because you can really raise the quality of your drawings. It looks like a clay. Your hands have to be very clean, otherwise all the dirt will stick to it, and by the way, it's better to buy a kneadable eraser in a box because of the same reason. All the dust and dirt will stick to it forever. You can really mold it how you want to. For example, by making it like this, you can add very little details to your drawing. And it's dust-free, which is amazing, I think. It literally pulls out the pencil and then you just mold it and use it again. And also it has one more function. For example, if your drawing is too dark, if it's too black, then you just do like this and it pulls out the pencil and it becomes a lot lighter. This is actually my problem because very often I make my drawings almost black and then I don't know how to fix it and what to do. So when I discovered this kneadable eraser, this problem just disappeared. It's a really cool thing. I also love using this eraser. It's called Perfection 7056. I love using it especially for the hairs. You can see it really makes a difference. So yeah, these are my favorite erasers. By the way, don't forget to subscribe on my channel if you haven't done it yet, and like this video. Blending tools. I use this brush as a blending tool. I really love it. As you can see, it's short, it's flat, and it's synthetic. I also have like other brushes, different sizes. The first brush is synthetic and the others have hairs of some kind of an animal. I don't know, I think it's pony. I also use blending stumps, but not as often as the brushes. And right now you can see the difference between these three supplies. I can also tell you that instead of the blending stump, you can use a cotton bud or a soft tissue. But my favorite blending tool is definitely a synthetic brush, especially if I draw portraits. Black pencil. This is my little trick, because only black pencils can give you this depth and realism, in my opinion, of course. I have a lot different ones. I have ones by Krita Color, my favorite ones by the way, by Kohinoor, it's called Gioconda Negro, and I think Faber-Castell also has black pencils, and they're pretty good. I know, I just can't find them anymore. These pencils will give a lot more contrast to the drawing, and the drawing will not look plain anymore. I know that a lot of people are afraid of the black color, but trust me, just use it once and you will fall in love with it forever. A white pen. This is also something that not a lot of people use when drawing, but I think it's a very cool thing. I took the famous Dali drawing I made some years ago, and by the way, you can see the full process of it on the channel. The link will be in the description. The white pen is perfect for the reflections in the eyes, on the skin, and even for drawing hair. I still use it a lot, especially when the eraser is hopeless. You should try it too. And as a little bonus, I'll talk about the colored pencils. I use the watercolor pencils by Faber-Castell and by Kohinoor. Right now you can see the Kohinoor package of the watercolor pencils, but honestly there is like a big mix of different pencils, but all of them are awesome. Skin colors usually go very fast, so I have to buy them one by one, the colors I need. I really love these two by Color and Polycolors by Lira. By the way, you can easily mix watercolor and polycolor pencils. These two little baby pencils, ones for long and cool, I don't know why I keep them. The reason why I use watercolor pencils is because they're very vibrant. And to prove you that, I took an ordinary pencil from the store, not from the art supply store, just a normal store, like a grocery store, and a watercolor pencil. And as you can see, the ordinary pencil is almost gray, and the watercolor pencil is very bright and vibrant and cool. So this is the end of my video. Comment if you learned something new today. I hope you enjoyed watching this, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe if you're new. See you soon guys, bye!